Hello students, this is 6th science class book reading session. Today we have discussed about the basic concept of measurement lesson, right? So this is your page number 1. So turn into page number 2, starting from this topic, that is introduction. I am start to read from this page. So to do the task given above, we need to know about measurement. The comparison of unknown quantities, very important word, the comparison of unknown quantities with some known quantities is known as measurement. Once again I am reading, the comparison of unknown quantities with some known quantities is known as measurement. Measurement of a quantity has two parts. First one, a number. Next one, a unit. Okay. Then move into next paragraph. To measure the quantities, we need measuring tool. What are the measuring tools that you know? Which of those tools you will use to do the task listed above and the similar one? So here some tools are given. First one, measuring tape. It is used to measure the length of the distance. So important word, length. The next one, stop clock. It is used to measure the accurate time of any activity. The next one, balance. It is used to measure the mass of the object. That is, it is used to measure the mass of the object. Then last one, a meter scale. Meter scale. It is used to measure the length of the object. Length of the object. Turn into page number 3. We hear the terms related to measurement like weight, kilogram, liters, milliliters, kilometer, length, distance, etc. So in this chapter, let's study in detail about length, mass and time and the necessity to measure them. Okay. First heading, length. What is length? The distance between one point and the other desired point. The distance between one point and the other desired point is known as length. It may be the distance between the edges of your book or the corners of the football ground in your school or even from your home to school. The standard unit of length is meter. It is represented by the letter M. Very small length can be measured in millimeter and centimeter. Large measures, say height of a building, length of a banner or height of lamp post are measured in meter. How to express still longer length, say distance between two cities or villages or distance between your school and home. So it is expressed in kilometer. The next one, know the unit of length. So 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. Think, can you express 1 kilometer in centimeter? So then let us measure the length of your pencil. Take the meter scale. Notice the lines with marking 1, 2, 3, 4 till 15. This is for small scale, or 30. This is for bigger scale. The distance between two numbers denotes a centimeter, which is written as centimeter. Then move into next page. Notice in between 1 and 2 there will be smaller markings. If you count, there will be 9 such lines. The distance between any two consecutive smaller markings within a centimeter denotes a millimeter. So here one activity based question is given, so this is not necessary. So starting from here, similarly different measuring units are used in different countries. For the sake of the uniformity, scientists all over the world have adopted a common set of units to express measurements. This system is called as the International System of Units, or SI units. SI unit for length is meter. SI unit for mass is kilogram. SI unit for time is second. SI unit for area is meter squared. SI unit for volume is meter cube. So these all are very important things. Prefix. Multiples and submultiples of SI units are given as prefix. Some prefixes are given in the table. Multiples and submultiples of SI units. Prefix, abbreviation, submultiple or multiple. For meter case, deci, abbreviated as D, submultiple equal to 1 by 10. Here 1 meter equal to 10 centimeter. Second one centi, abbreviated as C, submultiple 1 by 100. So 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Here 10 decimeter. Okay. The next milli, abbreviated as M, submultiple 1 by 1000. For meter case 1 meter equal to 1000 millimeter. Next one nano, abbreviated as N, submultiple 1 by 1 9 zeros. Here you have to write 9 zeros. Okay. Here also 1 9 zeros. Nanometer, that is equal to meter. Last one kilo, abbreviated as K, multiple 1000 meter equal to 1 kilometer. So up to this page we have discussed in the today class. Okay. So next thing is material reading session. So this is your material reading session. Your today homework is you have to study the question number 1 and 3 in first row matter and question number 1 in second row matter. Okay. So your first question is define measurement. Define measurement. Your answer is the comparison of an unknown quantity with some known quantity is known as measurement. Once again I am reading, the comparison of an unknown quantity with some known quantity. Here important word is unknown and known quantity is known as measurement. The next one, third question. The distance between two places is 43.65 kilometer. Convert it into meter and centimeter. So first option, convert kilometer into meter. Okay, it has totally two subdivision. So first thing, convert kilometer into meter. So already we know 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. So obviously 43.65 kilometer equal to 43.65 into 1000. Okay, I am just saying one example. The rate of 1 pen is 5 rupees means, then what is the rate of 2 pen? So automatically we have to multiply, right? So 2 5s are 10, right? So similar thing is happen in this place also. So 41 kilometer equal to 1000 meter means 43.65 kilometer equal to 43.65 into 1000. Okay, so your answer is 43,650 meter. Okay, so this is your final answer, 43,650 meter, right? The next option B, convert kilometer into centimeter. So your answer is, 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter, right? So similarly 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Okay, so 1 kilometer equal to, you have to write the 1000 in this space. Instead of meter, you have to write 100 centimeter in this space. Okay, so 1000 into 100 centimeter. So finally your answer is 1 kilometer equal to 1 lakh centimeter. Okay, how it came? 1 into 1 1, here 30 is there, here 20 is there, so totally 50, right? So 1 lakh 1000 centimeter. So 1 kilometer equal to 1 lakh 1000 centimeter means 43.65 kilometer equal to 43.65 into 1 lakh, right? So your answer will be 43 lakhs 65,000 centimeter. Okay, so this is your final answer. Then next question, second Roman letter, question number 1. Solve the following. The distance between your school and your home is 2250, that is 2250 meter. Then express this distance in kilometer. Okay, so solution, here your given data is distance between school and house is 2250 meter. Okay, so we have to convert this meter into kilometer, right? So the relation between kilometer and meter is given by 1000 meter equal to 1 kilometer. Okay, so obviously 2250 meter equal to 2250 divided by 1000, which is 2.25 kilometer. Okay, so we have to divide the given number by 1000. Okay, then only this answer will come, that is 2.25 kilometer. Okay students, study that two questions in part A and this question in part 2. Okay, after completion of your studying, you have to write the test and send your paper to your concerned class teacher. Okay, or if you are having any doubt regarding your test process means, you just ask with your class teacher. Okay students, thank you.